What's up, guys? This is the Wolf, the new video, and on this video we're gonna be looking at the euro US dollar. All right, so yeah, let's just get into it. Just gonna hit to the daily time frame, and then you see we're still under this decline, man. Like the euro also has been declining for so long. All right, but we had this beautiful double bottom structure here. It's not so perfect, but we can still spot it, something like a W shape. All right, and a W shape kind of represents like a double bottom structure. All right, so yeah, and then from there we did see that beautiful upwards movement. It's not so big, but yeah, it's beautiful. The market did go up. All right, so meaning there might be space for that change of directions sooner. All right, because it's a double bottom at the bottom of a downtrend, so meaning that's a signal for a change of direction. All right, so meaning we are looking for that change of direction sooner. All right, might just take place, man. Change of direction. All right, so let's just put our levels up, man. Before we continue with the video, I'd like to give a big shout out to a homie of mine, Ash Graphics. He's been doing my graphics and I'm really loving them. And if you would like also to have graphics done, please, his numbers are on the screen. Go hit him up, and I'll also link up his YouTube channel on the description below. Please guys, go check him out. Like, he's really good. I'm loving him. Like, he's just so great, man. Back to the video. Okay guys, from our trend here, this is where we're going to begin it, because if we try to align from at this point, we don't find that beautiful alignment. All right, like let me show you. Like, you just can't find it. See, like the market just doesn't align the right way. All right, so just gonna leave that for now. Just gonna focus on this one. All right, just gonna focus on this one because it's kind of seem beautiful. It's kind of cute though. Yeah. So, and what happens that the market did break it and then came back to retest it, right? Then it went up. So kind of seeing that this double bottom here was actually really beautiful. So meaning from where we are standing, we're gonna retrace this structure first before we could reverse the overall decline. All right, so we are gonna reverse this one and maybe come back a little bit and then eventually break. All right, because the European markets have been declining also for a very long time. They've been declining with the US market. All right, so yeah, that's what we are looking for. Kind of seem like that's what the market will be doing. All right, so let's go to 4 hour and see if we still get the same anticipations. All right, so obviously what we look for, we look if we do have another an inner trend. I don't know, I don't see that a perfect alignment, but let's see if we could get something out of this. Right, so yeah, it's not so beautiful per se, but yeah, could say maybe because remember first 2 touches for drawings and that touch. All right, so maybe eventually we'll get that touch. All right, because obviously like the market don't just break structure, man. Kind of always like break structure, retain inside the structure, and then the next move is to break the structure altogether now. All right, so maybe we might get something like that. From at the top, I don't think, do we have an alignment? Not really per se. All right, so yeah, it's not, I don't think we have that beautiful alignment reading from the top. But yeah, we do have something. So yeah, we're just gonna be looking into this trend, man. All right, maybe from where we're standing, just gonna give us that, then eventually break. All right, because we are looking to break the structure, we are looking to go up. All right, I don't know why, but when the US market seems to be picking up, Kind of also seem like the European market also picks up, like European currencies like the euro, the Great British Pound, kind of like picks up when the US markets, like the tech sector, like US dollar, into the thing, US tech and the Dow, when they pick up, kind of seem like the euro and the Great British Pound, they kind of pick up also. I don't know how, because by right it was supposed to be like when the US dollar, US market pick up, the value of the euro should be going a little bit down, meaning that the dollar is doing much better than the euro. But it kind of seems to be the opposite, which like kind of defies logic. But that's all right. That's the market, man. That's the nature of it. All right. So I don't get it, but yeah, every time when Nasdaq and USDT go up, almost always, the euro US dollar, the price will just go up. If the Nasdaq and US dollar declines, kind of always the euro and versus US dollar is gonna decline, all right? Which somehow doesn't make sense, but kind of always happens, all right? So when you are looking to buy Nasdaq, also be looking to buy in the euro US dollar, all right? They kind of align, all right? There's that correlation between them, all right? So be on the lookout for that, all right? So I think this is just what's gonna happen in the market, because reading from this level here, definitely we are going up, all right? If we go down, we do go down, all right? The market's the market. Fundamentals are always in place, man. So yeah, whatever, could go either direction, but that's what we are seeing for now, all right? For now, this is the direction that we have, that the market's gonna go up, and then from when it touches this level again, it's gonna give us that beautiful decline, and then we're gonna pick up steam by breaking structure, going to the upside, all right? Because by reading from levels, we have to enter that zone. That's our next target. It could be next week, it could be in 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks, but we will enter this beautiful zone right here, all right? We will, man. So I think the future for the euro US dollar is that is only positive, the same as US tech and the Dow, all right? So yeah, the future just looks positive, man. Just gonna be going bullish, all right? So yeah, there isn't really much to talk about on a euro US dollar. Yeah, it's kind of seem like it's just gonna go up, because let me see, I think we have a mini down bottom here. Okay, it's not so brilliant, but yeah, there's something here, all right? So yeah, the market's gonna go up, guys. I'm certain about it. Just gonna go up, and then maybe from here, when we hit the resistance, it's gonna resist accordingly, go below, come back to retest this trend line, because can't just go just like that. It did reverse here, but because of this support, it couldn't touch per se, and then yeah, it's gonna be looking to go up. It's gonna go up, or maybe when it opens, it's gonna play around this trend line here, and then eventually go up. But this is what I think is gonna happen in the market, guys. I hope you also see the same thing as me. If not, still cool. We are all here to learn, all right? And if you learn anything, guys, please give me that thumbs up, man. I'd really appreciate it, because it helps the YouTube algorithm. We have to grow, man. We've seen growth, like yeah, we are growing, and thank you, guys, and peace out.